Hi, so calculating time can be so confusing, especially like if you did miss some classes when you're in secondary. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest way you can use actually to know when different sessions are open or closed. Okay, so what you have to do is, of course, visit the link which is going to be in the description, and it's going to redirect you to this baby pips website. So this is actually a tool which you're going to use like to calculate and know when uh, different sessions for trading are open or closed. Okay, so let me first tell you some of the advantages this website has. So one of the advantages you could do is that, okay, if things like PM AM confuse you, you can actually switch to the 24-hour time. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the time. Okay, so as of now the time is 15:20, okay, with a 24-hour format. Okay, but otherwise it is 3:20 p.m. and today it's Sunday. Okay, so the other good advantage of this website is that it will also show you like all the trading sessions. Okay, so there's a Sydney, Tokyo, London and New York. Okay, so one thing I'm going to focus on is actually this same thing, having the time. Okay, so the other advantage of this website is that it is going to tell you the time these sessions start and closed based on your location. So there will be no need of trying to calculate time based on time zones and so on. So everything here is simpler. So all you have to do is simply move this cursor, okay, either to the left or to the right. So for example, if I move it here, okay, I'll be able to see that this is when the Sydney sessions starts, and here at 9, okay, the Tokyo session starts. But as of today it's Sunday, no wonder all the sessions are actually closed. Then around 8 hours or so the London session starts, and around 8 to 9 hours so the New York session starts. Okay, so all you have to do is simply drag this, okay, this case over here. So like one thing you should focus most is that when you're using this website, try to access it without using a VPN, because if you use a VPN it's going to show you incorrect time and date. Okay, so otherwise this is it about today's video. It was showing you how you can actually calculate time and know when different sessions are open or closed. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.